Hello there, my friend. I'm so glad you're here. This guided manifestation is designed to help you step into your most confident, empowered self, the version of you that knows their worth and shines brightly. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and take a slow, steady breath in through your nose. Hold it gently. And exhale fully through your mouth. Feel your body begin to relax as you prepare to align with your inner power. Imagine a radiant, golden light pouring down from above, surrounding you completely. This light fills you with strength, self-assurance, and courage. Now, see yourself standing tall in front of a mirror. In this reflection is the most confident, empowered version of you, smiling, glowing, and radiating self-love. Notice how you move, speak, and feel. Repeat these affirmations softly or aloud. I am confident, powerful, and unstoppable. I am confident, powerful, and unstoppable. My inner strength shines brightly in all that I do. My inner strength shines brightly in all that I do. I trust myself fully and embrace my true worth. I trust myself fully and embrace my true worth. I am aligned with my highest, most empowered self. I am aligned with my highest, most empowered self. I radiate confidence and attract success naturally. I radiate confidence and attract success naturally. I am powerful, confident, and unstoppable. I am powerful, confident, and unstoppable. I trust myself completely and act with certainty. I trust myself completely and act with certainty. I deserve success, happiness, and fulfillment. I deserve success, happiness, and fulfillment. I embody courage, strength, and resilience. I embody courage, strength, and resilience. I shine brightly and unapologetically. I shine brightly and unapologetically. I believe in my abilities and my talents. I believe in my abilities and my talents. I speak and act with clarity and confidence. I speak and act with clarity and confidence. I radiate self-assurance and inner strength. I radiate self-assurance and inner strength. I honor my worth and stand tall in my truth. I honor my worth and stand tall in my truth. Every step I take is fueled by confidence and purpose. Every step I take is fueled by confidence and purpose. I am the creator of my empowered, successful life. I am the creator of my empowered, successful life. Take a deep breath, letting these affirmations settle deep into your heart and mind. Now say softly, "Thank you, universe, for awakening my confidence and power. I am so grateful for this strength within me." Feel gratitude flowing through you, amplifying your inner glow. As we close, remember, confidence lives within you. It's always there, waiting for you to claim it. If this session inspired you, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to step into their power. Keep moving forward, my friend, with courage and strength lighting your path every step of the way.